Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a moderator or admin to your Facebook page. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now tap on the page you want to add an admin. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Then tap on page roles. Now tap on add person to page. Now search for the person you want to add. Now select a role. And then tap on add. And then the person will receive a notification. And that person has to accept your invitation. Only then he will be able to be the moderator or admin of your page. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.